All right, let's get started. This is a very simple workflow. You can call it an AI workflow. Basically, it uses a chat agent and an AI agent that connects with an OpenAI model. In this case, I think we are using um, GPT-4o mini, and we can the options are there, right? You can go to any later versions. In this case, I am using the mini one just to get started, right? So we do have a small workflow here where we are trying to achieve via chat, connect to the Google Calendar and try to get the events parsed, right? That's the simplest workflow we are trying to. And later we can even integrate that output towards another chatbot or maybe a voice assistant or anything as such. So this is just to showcase what is possible today um, with the integration with the OpenAI model, right? So before we get started, you need to first connect with a Google Calendar for which you need to choose an account, right? In this case, I already have an account linked to it. So basically, you need to authenticate and get it linked. That's it. Then the OpenAI model, choose one. At the same time, you need to parse one API key from the OpenAI platform and feed it as uh, and test it, right? Now, to for the solution to work with the OpenAI, you need to have credits in your platform, OpenAI platform. So you go to the billing session, add some credit there. In this case, I added $10 and then generate an API key and that option is here and then pass it on to N10. So this is a very simple workflow that showcase the how can you integrate different components and create an AI agent based workflow. So let's test it out. Open the chat box here and say hi. So you see this, right? The response, hello, how can I assist you today? This is all coming from the model here, right? The OpenAI model. And if you want to see the input, this is the input we given towards the API call, right? And also there is an output that comes from OpenAI model that you can see it here. Also, this tool have all those executions recorded as a log, right? Initially, if you look at these are all errored out because since I was not connected with Google Calendar OpenAI model, I figured it out later, right? So now you see that this is all green, and if you click any of this, probably you're gonna see what really went in the background, right? The logs, you can see it here um, at every single step, right? Yeah. So that's how it is. This is a very simple workflow. This is just getting started, right? Um, what we're gonna do is like, from here we will pick it up different workflows. We will try to incorporate different workflows into it and try to make it a little more comprehensive, very use case specific. At this time, it is just a small chatbot, right? Now, since we integrated with Google Calendar, you can ask for any calendar events, right? Show me events for next few days, right? So it should go connect to the Google Calendar and bring up all those events within next few weeks. You see this, right? Thursday, April 3rd. Today is on the 2nd of April. So 3rd, I am having an event which is to just a reminder to pay the rent on time, right? So this is getting passed from my Google Calendar. So So this tool is very powerful. This is just one integration, right? We are going to hands-on with multiple different integrations and try to create a meaningful workflow going forward. This is where it is getting started. Um get your hands dirty, right? Spending a little money on OpenAI platform is uh, not a bad idea, right? Because you're getting a lot of learning here. This is how you get started with AI and the AI agents, and think out of the box. How can you use this tool in this era? So all the very best, and see you in the next video.